Why is a market list important in buying food? Why is it better to go to the market early? Hi, welcome to EED 307. This is Teacher Jean. Our topic for today is about purchasing wisely. Purchasing wisely means buying the right kind and the right amount of food needed for a recipe or for family consumption. The right kind means the right kind of quantity of food intended for a specific purpose and buying the best quality at the most reasonable price. The food, therefore, should not only be of good quality, it should be nutritious and economical as well. It is important that the children be taught and trained to buy food properly and wisely. This is a way to ensure that the dishes to be cooked for the family are affordable, nutritious, and fresh. The following can be of great help to whoever will do the purchasing. First, prepare a list. The list to buy included are the quantity and the estimated price of each item. You must know the different parts of the market. Make sure that you know the sections where to find the meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, eggs, and other ingredients to conserve time and energy. Go to the market early to be sure that you get fresh and new items. You can also purchase the items fast because there are fewer people at this time. Well, you must also carefully examine the item that you are going to buy. Make sure that they are fresh, not damaged or spoiled. Let's talk about fruits. When buying fruits, you should remember this. They should be heavy, with no signs of cuts or bruises, bright in color, and equally ripe. It's really fresh. As you can see, the bees are hovering around. Maybe the seller or the vendor is selling, what is it? Right? She's selling honey. Next one, vegetables. They should be fresh, bright green, with no signs of cuts or bruises, firm and heavy. Avoid buying vegetables that have been peeled off, sliced, or soaked in water. And so let's talk about fish. Fish, the gills are red, the eyes are clear, the scales are intact and slimy. Flesh is firm and does not have a foul odor. Chicken. The flesh is firm and compact. The fat covering is yellowish. There are no small feathers on the skin, not watery between the skin and flesh, no foul odor, and with no signs of discoloration. Regarding the meat, the flesh is rosy and soft, but when it is touched, it goes back to its original form. Does not have a foul odor or signs of discoloration. And the rice. The grains are whole, not insect infested, with no grains of sand, and with no foul odor. The canned goods. These are labeled and sealed with no dented portions or yupi-yupi, newly manufactured and with expiry date indicated on the label. Buy fruits and vegetables that are in season. These can surely be bought at a cheap price. Buy in large quantity the ingredients that are used every day to save time and money. But you must be careful about the malpractices of vendors, such as shortchanging of customers, use of defective weighing scales, and others. Tell the amount you are paying, especially if it is big, and count the change in front of the vendor. This pandemic has given us ample time to do the things we have not done for a long time. One of which is gardening, a very essential hobby. If you have your vegetable garden, your fresh produce goes straight, yes, directly to your kitchen, making the family meal very nutritious and of course, budget friendly. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for having me as a part of your day. Once again, this is Teacher Jean saying, one cannot think well, love well, sleep well, if one has not dined well. God bless. Goodbye.